ahinie de bia kwabare prochira pem de bia kwabare wonya sa atesa watatiawa woda kotokoma obi no nya chinjeda woyɛ simprim woyɛ bɛmɛ na kodwo usu ɔkyɛne ni bɛmɛ na sɛ wadwama anya ketwa wosoro mi enkɔ na usu akyɛn wo piafo
Sunyina tie from ayedi
Wachia me
agina kunya niesie nra niesie ne ebe kwa posisen sa
Always the first with fresh new music. Always the first with fresh new music. Hit power. Hot.
Brand new.
Okay, young fast didn't come to Children Ponyanko to Trouble Sukwame, Boss Rubas, what did you know? And then so I did about Wakayana. I said, I am Kennedy. I said, I told me no Encoma technicians on duties. One of my technical works in Nadia Mamia, Akra Mensumaji Maja. I said, I told me and San Encoma Nana Amia Krumpe on the Mutinasia, not what the entertainment segments in Ebemo. Wapomugumbe kakra ebra so sa akra meji maja na ensam de ko chiko abraman ye di tie de di kan ye abawo mu eno awian so ye jensen bansemu enti wodi abaye nyina ne se wodi wafide ne beto righteous radio so enama so egu no kai se ye di adwuma de free tachi mema nsini mu no isa hin krokro pon no se wo hwa me awie ya na wo hwa me every Facebook se wo hwa me awie ya na wo hwa free me Facebook wall and not a righteous TV. Sanso and a YouTube and not a righteous TV. Instagram a righteous radio. And have a so you use smartphone or Google Play Store. Download the righteous radio app now. Baby Biaya unama bet me at our honor. A righteous radio. Our Google Play Store. Download the app now. Baby on Viana. Bet me at Facebook is over to Masha live. A better than not much in the Shame. Chini sa ngrofo akwadwo mungu no. Kaise dia meje so betima from me bro champim de akwa na ya me no mocha no. From watchrema tia me kwadwo usu ameje so. Awia ye beba gumbe, ye be kansam. Tuma dia masugu so the hot seat. The hot seat. Ye bogumbe ni akansam. Ye bata da na mutiri hwe nkrofo akwadwo no. Nanso na mungu no. And you know, many for Pino about you can come out. As soon as you want, the other dear woman in Sabaka. When you say, I fear your way, I about to fear. About to finish with the Yana and then some Pino and a number. Any people voices saying, any DC voices saying. And you will ever cancel. Now, I am for and I shall say I tribal politics. Yes, I'm on your Kobia shall say I tribal politics. There be a influence and I shall say a man for posters. I am for that posters. I am for some tribal politics. Hey, and some Amanyo ko bimpa nimfo wa mo se kia ne kan asumesi wo parliamentary aspirant ye mo bia contest no wan kwa on the post ye baba bra mo jama north abesia pofu eje ye nya ntia se amanyo Kuobi. One communication director. Yahono. Yachokra Tadi Amano. The one for the Jumadi in Antua. Was it one ten and was it Anthony was it? Walk court. Yayan and Tiasa Amano Kuobi. And when in four business of a country candidate to be Napier. One more contest. I said, Benny, and when you want to be so on Tiasa and Tiasa, I had the division about Manu Konum. Kuobi mu war mu bra nanso yankai wom wonnim sa parliamentary aspirant bi wakwakwa ya adoye e wo hospital bi na parliamentary aspirant no kwaye adoye no na ehu behia sense ntwerofo ni communication directors ni communication team members ni bi batwetwe nkoma empanimfo no se communication directors ni communication members ni bi ni aspirant na anya adwene eno ntinyansa ntwerofo man central for the woman to drink come up. One was a man central for any communicators, be more and to drink come up. Discrimination, I have discrimination, I have Yaba to come out. Communications director, and maybe a chomo, Wapani, and Panin Fortress, Wamoshanwa, Nitumadi, and Sunny, and the Atoka Tadi Amana, and when Yanni Gibrina and Fantuho. Now, Wapani, what in was ya, yea, and Shaya, Wabako Court. Now, Miss Ambrano, Mensaka young Rano, Ewa Ahmaso, Yanano Achuchum Como, and Merega, and your friend Okomolia, Wano and a assemblyman. Ya was more electoral area. So, young America, my way.
Yeah, I mean,
Accra, Nampomuti Senye.
I don't know where.
Yeah, there was a piece. I was a penny and now only righteous radio. Education come all the way to Chimay. Bono is a him Kurokuropomo. Young America, Yayan and Tia said, what much work I'll be at the amount. Sir, would you, my dear, would you say communication director, NFA youth organizer? For Jumadi no to her. As I'm not here.
Maybe I went for conscious and I'm sure what you for. Already, I know. And of course, a party, no, I'm on the crack. I said, men from Juliet and for a cotton summer. I won't bet you on the letter. And I said, I won't bet is a party, no, or more argument out. I remember a quiet part of the Kratano and the party to share. I'm to say, I'm trying to let say, they two and a moment and say, a day after the Brano, Nasapa.
Now, Kratano and Casana, and Wassam and the same, almost a 1 year, Yaway and the same.
Kratano, the main to the Washington say, and the party no to be a bonnet car. Party is and say, what do you call discipline for my team? Now, we be Sabitano, and then the call of Bichano. Now, when they said the city and a party executive one is suspending you. Mentino, Mera, a party man, so need Yamra. When I'm a chance, I said the million for years, and more I'm for that for I'm not a fact. Or more decision one. The no one be dimmer.
Now, young shot, one must say, Ubani Paya, where do you say?
All right.
One must say, Ubani, where do you pan is saying, Yelchin wasn't saying.
I said, I won't hear not Omami and Tama. The copy of the letter, no Frank, message the amount. Charge behind you so. Charge behind you so.
How?
Yes. Nti we say no say obi from me kwa na grant interview no a. Ya na aye no nwa kata. Fans obetwe obi kata say wa suspend the party no no. Na say bisuba bi oda na adi ana ade a wa hu no. Nka wo church say nipa we ade we nti and party no mra no say bi enye empa. Nti bi a party no betwe wa so. Well, you be left as a letter no. Nti me aye mo wa say letter I just ano omuti try at the prayer.
Nti say anamontuo no asisan.
Let's talk about so far no and then for council president in one party patrons be a friend say ono mo artists no into no minyabotro na ombitu anamo.
Okay.
The bibisa course no omokra anya we nti the bibisa so ba ombeshon bi minyabotro na yewe how best ya ombe. It's really already a customer. And your party is there. Now, who as I said, and your party could be who is could be able to find a mono. The party, no, yeah, to say, yeah, the money, yeah, Juma. Now, that's what I do. Now, 1 money charge. And now, two, your party is there, and also, party executive, who is also to do that. Until so the number committee, and na committee for now say, "Can we hear no? If they are saying they just suspend them, we answer that."
You will America,
yes. No, because say, "O man, sister, o man, doing there. Me no be doing baba."
Yo, yansha, wo bi be bisa say, e krata ya de bre wo no. Na hwan na ne nsa hyase.
Krata on the by the party secretary no.
Party secretary your friend is saying.
Ana ni Beniza.
Na ubisa ye no chairman onim hu bibi.
Like no executive ko mo on be ko anya we.
Yan show.
Interviews among for grant no. Wa no bisa say. Ada na party throw krata. O ma reply wo ko fa answer you. Na obi a wa suspend ma. Well, executive only 2 minutes to suspend the year. They are also expected to remember. If you am the code there, who will not be as I dare not. I was so too an amount. Never say, I'm why a bonnet your cool, and I say, Ubina, I trust a yes, I dare. Until the party secretary, to me, no, only yes, I dare.
My Mrs. Wone any pepi, Amanyoko and Krabataya. E wo jama nof no munkita hodie sai na siti ankasa
anta ma you ya ma me feel bad why is doing ba
dia me bisa ne se woni ene pipi amanyoko ne nkrabata ya e wo jama nof no munkita hodie sai na siti ankasa
na me be communication director
dia me pese me hu se
almost suspending me.
Dia me pese ye hunu ni se bia na wa ye bibi de tie ani pipia manyokuo no nti ana secretary tim tworo krata de bra wo wa bra chairman entimi enhunu mu
ina party no de wo shira no mpe letter de ba wo ba ho bia ne ta chasro ana wo so nya letter bia o so wo na hwishimi
okay
enti ana ko ala sample for ba o me no kasai ana o ka ka say wada ne man fi ko de antan ni the party wo na say ubi so bi e bone a am say mujira mutia and so go bet na toilet akomo obi bi as a communicating director say na suspend o abena discipline committee kranya we council of elders nya we nti am say e obi nko to kakra bi le tro ase e ko bi say adman what is wrong party no time ma it is a way as I dey wa me no be di mraba
Yewura America yebeda wase pi awia yi se waje pene ne Righteous Radio atwetwe nkomo all the way Chachimai bono Isahin kurukuru mu.
Okay.
Ebede se yehia clarification bi anso so a ebeba onanso na yaba beje ewo hono. Eba hwehwame any pipi amanyo ko ne nkrobata ye wo jama nof we huru gidigidigidi secretary trokrata dia kwakoma youth organizer was suspended no one say one tin ho ase tin ho ase kina empanimfo anka wontiri ansi from pa dia ne court bebam court nsusu na ebamu ana akwakofa nsem pie e dia ba e dia na kwaso ewo any pipi mu ewo jama nof na amanyo ko ben ana ye tribal politics ya asemo ebi mu kire se candidate ya ye de number no se wotimi kwa stande ewo ni kurom ana se wotimi ma ne yire kwa stande wo ni kurom na wo kwa pre assembly woman no win dia e dia won beto ama no
apuna na menya
amamfo so bogumbe o emra sabado ni bi nso empanimfo bi akwakofa another candidate de number yenyi no mfiri ho na yemfa ye new candidate nko ya asembi ya watutu nkomo bi anwumre yi wodi ya obeye nyina enese wodi wa video no beto ha righteous radio ko Google Play Store search righteous radio app no e wo phone so download wi a na wa share amamfo so nya bi se wo follow me e wo Facebook and righteous TV YouTube righteous TV with me a following ya oha na wa show jumade nyina live and you me pani for kuku da na ba twetwe nkoma and the producer Nana am your Simon obo adwuma Larry Pakwasi Moses Ghana Journalists Association your president e wo bono ahafo bono ahafo bono is opani won na da no show me live obo adwuma papa was it ochirema more fire show me live opani piao mensa aka ani pipi chairman opere mensa aka no ewo ahomaso ya na twetwe nkomotiawa na ya de clarification bi e de afiri ho sansa ya nya ntie se mori assemblyman wono na mire bi atwam na wo ye communication director e de ma ani pipi amanyoko ne nkrabata ya ewo jama nof ya trokrata e de amano chairman opere onimu ananse onimu empanense amaman kamasam ya kyensem nyina chama opele majwe
yemo
chama boko de
nyame adom boko mpacha mo hote se
nyame na dom nyame gusu hira yen ya de wase pe se waje pe ne any righteous radio etwetwe nkomo every touchman bono is ahin krokro pon mu chama anwumre de ya fra watia wa nkomo ya ye bobo ho nyina ene se yemura ya woye assemblyman ya wono ene hwe emori electoral area so wa ma yenya ntie se won ma tro krata e de ama no se ne dwumadie ya wodie no won mususu se ebia na enko yenti wo kire se krata no momu de won ma nsi so po de kodia potin ya enam so ama won fa ne dwumadie nto eno nti se ya ho no ya wodi ne dwumadie ato ho na se mpanimfo anka bibi pam ho a wo be court asemi wate na wate a uso musan
yo nedeka medeka acha watie for any baby amoti de kese edru nyina meche obibiara na machia jaman officer obibiara na ya former communication officer so mechiano chama merega sanya wo kan sa na se obode odi krata breme edibi ma ya council of elders say council of elder chairman say BBC enana ekoso na mienum at that time so na menyembe ye chairman eti odi letter na ba no say normal ba kum mienu a me nonsense ma nya kwan ma me ne council of elder ma ya nhia so na nka ya share anamo ya betu afa the krata na or the ba no so enti no me wagide say sisi akora me no ka say ma ba ni krombole ma ba bole sisi a enti no me gidi say Republic and any base yam my arrows of the best friend is on your track a crama. I did out of the two and ye and ninja. But the best say a bit too on mama. The best friend or
okay. Chama yansha usha American you media ya wood ye noa. Any pipi amanyoko ne nkrabata ya ewo jama nof no. E mo nsese ya emra hodo ya mode bu mukuo no wafom bi wo kwan bi so ana
mpacho Sandra biam
de me bisa ne se momra ya mode bu mama nyokuo no se wo hwe wo pani ya wafom emra no bi wo kwan bi so ana
Chana na me di kan kai no as that time now mu yi no communication officer no na me nyembe di chairman but o hwe so a suspension na no mu se o ma suspend no me did say obo suspended no according to me secretary my friend na no me ni chia ya na me interview no e fa ho o ka che o mo ma no sa suspension letter no ono so amba wan ye appeal na say wan ba mbe ka hwe ase o mu nyina ha ja ne sa but enye enomo e na me focus on but me ni hwe nyina ne say e be hwe ma asundia ba party no mo ono so no bo beto ne yam eno na me hwe say ye be ye ma e be asundia ba.
Okay. Chairman, I'm say when secretary na twetwe nkomo kakra de na wo se edie mpa na asie ya enam so ma wo ma sa suspension we.
Na me dey kan kan. Ense sa kan no nyina na me minni ho me nya be ye chairman. Eti no me sheda enim poti ade poti ma sa suspension na ba ye.
Chairman,
me secretary din kombo no kire say no ma ba ku mienu bi a oni say party sem de nya nsem ni nyina na ya ye de tuja but no ma ba ku mienu bi na ye say omo no nya ntawata wa kakra bi na no mo de tu omo ye sa de no e tue ne san kakra but that no so one throw letter bi a ntan ba be pa che wa na se bi ta e na ma ye e be pem san be ya e da so pesa no
Chairman, na twese se meti wase ye dia na merega woni secretary no e wo menase po kakra e se ho.
Only secretary ni problem. Ono party no bia ni problem. Am say the election we kura assembly election we about be pay. Bo bia ye nyina be bo bia ye bo he ma otimi e we ni election. Some say merega ni party na ana secretary problem in front of me. Me nim de metima ka say enye sa na sisi.
Okay.
But if I'm not doing it, now to me, can you say there only any problem there? Because the last time I didn't come I mean, you know, sorry. It's no major problem behind your 10 and Americans. You ever said problem now or the better, and the better one or more solve our problem. No, once and for all, Abraham Fakot and the answer.
Okay.
Mega, Papa, I said, if I get our party. I bet me I can tell you be a miagu at the other 3 and you better say you 200 more power than the Yamano.
Okay. Chairman, my Mrs. say, Ubaya chairman no enya mfia he.
Mfia me someone on no. No,
mfia mienu.
2018.
Okay.
27 February. And me be chairman.
Okay. Mfia mienu mfa no mfia mienu ko me ensa so ni chairman wa be di chairman okay na besi sa bre wonya hunu ni kwadu a ye de abọ no ntra ye de ya twe na dwuma di asensen
na America no ni kwadu no party sem no enya party sem ni nyina na e di ba bonten a ye ka ho ahya but ni say shaba nye boni bu e wo say ebio omuntimi nka ho atam ombetimi aka ho atam ombetimi aka ho atam sene ma ba eso odi abeda mani me so me ne council of elder na no me ne council of elder chairman no ye communicate ye but ya ntimi anhia 101 etimi ka tell them the panu member my share afre na ya resolve the occasion.
Okay.
Me did say ye betima ye manai.
Okay.
E dey asundia aba ye be ya court sendia ambam.
Yo. Chairman anyumene ye bedo wase pi na onchirechire mu. Yo. Abusia wapani ya ya na twetwe nkomo ye chairman wo pele. Wodi wani kire mu ewo Jama North. Amanyokuo mu ani Jama North ani pipi amanyokuo no mu a wono na ye dwamtene ni ya wo hwe ama eniema atimi akonkan ewo empotamu hono mu nyina. Hey, adabia kwajo meko amanfo be kai me. Anyumre ye bagumbe. Na electoral commission dia betu dwa. Wanu mo kire se voter register na ye de betu aba no. Efi gogome adokoro no se emwa no. Ayese dogo enu nti wo be hia se won be sesa voter register no covid-19 no so edi ahim ewo oman mu na de Ghana for ebisa ne se so anya bia coronavirus atwi ne tiri ewo oman mu mampanyini ba furu gina simpie so kri na ni be nsam fifire enye fifiwa ade baba tu dwa se coronavirus no gine ho se kirebe ne wo wiase afana nyina edo nti se wan lock Ghana ba bia Ghana be kono enya asa ene ya America sai yentimi nkohia dem nkonkosom akristofo ntimi nkohia dem emozramifo entimi nkohia dem nkonkosom Allahu akbar amanfo funu aka fridge m Electoral Commission kyerɛ sɛ wɔno no deɛ wɔbɛyɛ new voter register ama yɛde akɔ akɔto aba yɛ akɔ akɔto santen wan dogodogo lie akɔ akɔtwerɛ din krosu ya eduru Easter Kristo amani hunu anka a Kristofo ato santen ne ye wone a ye betwa Christ mpire wone mu twa mpire Romanfo antima ntwa mpire ne nyina eye covid-19 enkramofo start achirewia wone ntimi nkoma asalachi enkonkotiam na wakwa wo mu nua se ye nkokobɔ mpaye ede na asie ya eduru abato nko aso de ma me jemen sase kan ne kan wobeye new voter register mensa aka BB Mustafa why communication team member edema NPP NDC hey o se kwaju dabi emfa meseme BB Mustafa I wo video mu sanso so ana mi ankasa me nua ampofu tumasi NPP communication team member wono so e wo video mu I say me Bob BB Mustafa say NPP na ye mason Meza company for the ewo fidie bia na ombetutu komanda nwumre na ya hwe ensama hodo ya ekotwi ko brema dia eba na quickly mame nkomenu BB Mustafa enchena yenwe na dwenkyere emfa compilation of new voter register no BB ben o microphone no mame BB akwaba yeah
ya jo pedi
mpomoti san
na me gusu hwe
ya da nyame ase mame jemensa one in the Electoral Commission for Chese, Sisa Yetuaba 2020. Na voter register ya Betuabano, Adogo Gome. Wamu yusu anye enunti, Yebetro din fufro. Na Ghana phobim so Chese COVID-19 no, hupa. Yetro din na ansha na akwa fasemaba. Asemi, uti asesen.
Right, openike se mami enchia una minda wase ene wahwafo nyina
ma woni so mami
anwumrei dikan mami enwishi minuanom mpemofo happy Eid Fitr in advance because them say collectively no bia si echina nyame adma ene no kramofo omo be ya sorry na yagu achiria Santi edo mo asese omudi omuyefuna tuo 29 30 days edia abompa edia ma Ghana mani yesi sanso na me party mpenimfo NDC amanyiko titulu Techiman South executives any regional executives the two parliamentary candidates Honorable Christopher Basunti Bayre MP Oba for Techiman South any lawyer Elizabeth Foswajari MPR Techiman of Fosi ma omo I mean you question now will be saying say na mimi hono no I'm say Ghana 1 no krekano asa 2 Ghana nada na edibu oman no no kre asa any say Ghana mampenimfo ana say leadership Ghana omo akọ omo anyi kakra ebiti say asori mpenimfo imamfo any ankra am kabia ewum meji say civil society organizations omo aya ama Ghana for dodo na no em say ejidi ayewo ewo mumu no eba form in a sense say ye nyina behun say baby ayeti no yentiye you say the situation is not normal the santin de na ye ne nra no ene yajaye sense say obia ebo ne kwa ho ban because COVID-19 aba yare a ebi mada ene ebi aba ma wiase nyina adane abutu ama Ghana de na ye no ntumi nya biem of course when me say me teacher ni na me go school from Monday to Friday and then me tifie me go bia because yade aba ma omampanin ne nyansa mu no wo to school sama obia etifie sana asori ne mia bebre yatum mpa cho tia se enyina ya tia se o se etum because ye tum abo me no ho ban na ye no ne say na me na ne de nko ade electoral commission for see ebriaso say ombe compile new voters register amaye na e dia kokoto aba come December 2020 ene de yeti de mu say amanko a omuti akunja so no ai MP amanko no omu e de mu support e de ama electoral commission say they should go ahead let the omu fi say ombe ye bia no omu de omu tachire e na ama jide na make no say jide na na woman penny for so no e so te because nka e na nka asori penny for no na omu yatima tu omu asori den a omu timi ko ya asori bia no explanation akwese ye bo bia ho ban no e wo se nko omu sori kasa say omu penny usi me kwa asori be ya tia say because ye kwa yare we ehu ana me boa ebetimi aspread ama sebi binuma ahwo mu nkwa ntino me nkwa asori ya tia say nkramofo mu ye fasting onu se ebe omu ye 20 days 10 days na ya ka last 10 days no aya omu kwa asori den ko gina ho ebompae edimo omu omu abusenfo ni Ghana man but afi we sa de na ntima nkoso because yade abama obi aye den esuro but electoral commission for ba ye die obi aye din ehwe amanyoko MPP electoral commission for nko an say de omu be ye bia no omu ye ba ye NDC for say so ke no tum sa I think say any Ghana for no ye nini ye ene tira ye se de bi ehu yen say yade we aba no ya local schools markets ya space na say distance na ene no ukoto ade a ugina babi gise nipa auto no owiansa wa de wa kwato na mu de amusim kwako biema magina kwako line akokoto akako registration obi aso mi say constitutional my electoral commission kwan which is true it is true say omo metima compile register am media to aba but say okwo hwe article 45 aso mo me kwan a man ka men kan kakra article 45 no essay functions of electoral commission. The electoral commission shall have the following functions: A, me interest no, to compile the register of voters and revise it at such periods as may be determined by law. Pachauti, omu compile it na a very brebiano, omu revise no as may be determined by what? By law. And which they say, afibiano nipa benya 18 years. Obiana last year was 17 years no. Afiwe no obenya 18 years. And they say to aba e wo say electoral commission mu bia akwanya na saa nipa no wayden otuminya akwanya edi ne di ekum na saa akwanya no enye electoral commission for no mudima at 1992 constitution of Ghana ena ma saa nipa ne right e wo article 43 bim say woman akwanya bima the electoral commission article 42 rather the right to vote every citizen of Ghana of 18 years of age or above and of sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled to be registered as a voter for the purpose of public elections and referenda. But outi sa constitution krono na esema meme no melu say di 18 years and as more ye dwimu enkeka bia no and years of sound mind bia no e wo say electoral commission mumma ya kwanya e metro ye di ekogum. What this means any say e wo say afi bia no omo nye 8 years and above no bibi nti omo di antima nkom electoral commission on make provision na sa from mudinye den enkum article 1 chere say afibiano yen compile new and as a fresh voter register until you see NDC for the Ghana for don't see yen tia say because ya dey about 1 2 article 42 na ama Ghana ni bia say on fan din enkum abrawanya 18 years and above no sa opportunity I will say electoral commission for mudima Ghana for na ye cost na ye limited registration brand baby ayetimi ye say ye bi 2019 let me go to sa assembly for abano and the front na here ene bun is yeso anya region no e wo say electoral commission omu bia kwa let me kwaye limited registration ɛne deɛ problem bi ano wɔ ebien kura no sɛ hwɛ Ghana statistics for ɔmo data deɛ ɔmo kyerɛ ne sɛ afi wei no ɔmo anya 80 years no they are barely over 6,000 just ɔmo bɔ 6,000 kakra mpatsa wote ase ne sɛ ɔmo ndi nipa 1 million kura no deɛ ɛka de sɛ yade atumi aba ama asɔfofoɔ yɛtumi ɛnkɔlidi congregation ɛmbɔ mpaeɛ ɛnsrɛ bɔne fafre deɛ a imamfoɔ ntumi nkɔyɛ asɔre wɔ asɔre dɛm then schools gu fie yɛn nyinaa yɛatum a yɛkyi fie ɛnɛ saa deɛ ɛho nhyɛ dɛ hia pii sɛ saa nipa 6,000 no wote a kɔnsusa ama ɔmo kwan sɛ nka ɔmo di nkɔm no ɔmo bɛtumi yɛbɛma kwan na ɔmo koraa no ɔmo bɛkɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ na yɛade no bɛkyerɛ ama mene wo mmenu yɛahwe yɛn nkɔdeɛ a wɔn na ɛkɔ akɔ QBM akɔtɔ abama NDC BM anaasɛ MPP nti deɛ yɛka ne sɛ ɛberɛ wei no ɛnyɛ berɛ a ɛbɛboa nyinaa because ɛyɛ berɛ a ebi mmaada ɛyɛ berɛ a sɛbi wongye obi mpo ɛyɛ dɛ ɛndi menyɛ sure sɛ wogye wo yiri koraa de because opie kɔ market ɛba a you suspect her sɛ bi a baabi a wakɔ no wosɔ bɛ sɛ bi a wafa yɛre no ayɛ dɛ aba fie ɛnti na ɛnam a obiara sɛ nose mask akaba ne face nti ɛbɛhyerɛ sɛ nana adonu no aban
misa sɛ dimtwerɛ no a yɛtwerɛ sesa buku no ɛne ha mo anaasɛ nka yɛnuse na yɛnyɛ limited voter registration
malika number 2 sɛ wobɛhia paa sɛ ɛbɛyɛ limited registration a ɛneɛ no problem na ɛno koraa no yɛsuro sɛ ɛbɛtumi ama protocols no wote aba fam ama yɛ social distancing na yɛde nneɛma bɛgu akwan mu a well yɛbɛtumi ayɛ no na sɛ ɛbɛkɔ akɔyɛ mass registration over 80 million people
na sɛ yɛyɛ limited registration na still yɛbɛsan akɔ akɔkiw
we say nipa less than 600 over 60,000 penny yɛ kɔ akɔyɛ ɔmo
sɛ yɛnim nkwalaa dodoɔ a wɔmbɛkɔ akɔ
no
register
me see data yɛanya from Ghana Statistical Service for ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo anya 80 years afei no ɔmo yɛ 6,000 ɛne number kitoa bi na ayɛ den aba bɛtɔ so nti sɛ ɛbɛyɛ kora no a yɛde afi sɛ yɛade wei no sɛdeɛ yɛ dangerous nti no nka saa nkurɔfoɔ nkora no nka mɛyɛ register ɔmo afei na sɛ bi ɛho bɛhia paa so sɛ register ɔmo a sɛnsɛ number no ɛnhyɛ da nɔɔso paa nti no wotu ase yɛbɛtumi ɛde protocols no bi yɛ ayɛ den aput in place na yɛayɛ social distancing na yɛ make sure sɛ obi a bɛ register yɛbɛtumi aguide sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔne nua ɔmo mmɛn sɛ ɛbɛyɛ adeɛ na ɛbɛyɛ den ɛbɛtwerɛ sɛ ɛbɛkɛ a 2004 ɛyɛ register no masa hɛ nipa na ɔmo ɛkiw yɛresi over 40 days ɛtɔ da 40 to 43 days ɛna ɛde yɛ den yɛde compile saa tam a yɛade ne wɔne no but ɛne na yɛade na aba no sɛ ɛkɔ akɔyɛ entirely fresh register what it means ne sɛ nipa over 80 million ute ɛna ɛkɔ akɔ kiw ato aba na bra yade mpo ne wa ɛtibi so 40 to 43 days ɛ compile register no ɛne na yade na aba na ɛbɛhia sɛ ɛbɛyɛ social distance no how many days in your view do you think say electoral commission for bɛtumi ayi so ɛde a compile new register sɛ I mean to akap just 5 months and sɛ kɔ akɔto aba mpatsa wotu ase nti tama yade kora ne wa atuma ayi so more than 1 month ɛna register yɛ are we saying sɛ ne na yade no wɔ ho no we are going to use more than 2 months ne say yi 5 months no out of 2 months 2 out of 5 months na aka say 3 months the bɛyɛ ba kɔ exhibition mpatsa wotu yɛ ba bɛyɛ final and as a final register wɔn de bɛma amanyɔfoɔ na ma de ayɛ akɔkɔ gyina so ato aba no nti de aka ne sɛ ɛbrɛ wɔ ɛnyɛ brɛ pa nti ɛbɛhyerɛ sɛ electoral commission for must start with nema mwa nti ɛne for susu sɛ wɔn MPP for they are on one bed a wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn de wɔn wi abato no that is as per me ka sɛ nukure no say nada no ɛyɛ
baby adana look as you said from the MPP time na wɔn opposition ɛbɛsi nnɛ wɔn da so agyina mu sɛ voter register no wɔn mo nsesa no efiri mra mo wapa waaba opposition bɛsi nnɛ mo da so gyina mu a sɛ mo nyu so ɛnoa mo buta yɛ paa ne sɛ
yɛ buta yɛ paa ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ MPP for koya na emma yɛ kɔkyɛ register in 2012 sɛ wobɛka ya ɔmo adwi ni sɛ yɛn adopt the biometric system a ɛnɛ yɛ use middle fingerprints ɛna yɛyɛ no na yɛn twɛ obi mfonyi sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a mebeto aba na yɛbɛhu sɛ mfonyi ne da ha no na memfa me nsɛm bɛsi su na sɛ pikidi a ɛyɛ mea ana meboa na yɛyɛ saa de sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a sɛ ɔmo teki usa biodata na yɛntumi ɛnteki ne biem because menyɛ sure sɛ memituwe sɛ fa me 10 figures yi ana sɛ me 10 fingerprints ya obi o wiase biem a ɔde ne ba bɛsi so a ɛbɛfa me deɛ
okay
ɛnya de yɛ possible and then yɛdi to mu sɛ saa de a yɛnyɛ no once and for all so that ɛbi bɛyɛ sɛ yɛ update na the yes no na yakwa review any be ni say bia say machines do be say device be no say atochima na ya replace but not to go back say yakwa entirely new register a waste of money bebe abra ye do no ye sky be to be there to PPs e dey ama health workers but what you say because complaints eba ene TV3 you see takwa what saying takwa area ho nurses over 14 and na yade we achomu reason is say omuni PPs omuni otuma den abo mo ho ban nti de can say ebre we emwoye nti na do na ban omunkasa na maami na nkasa ka say onfa voters ID card fufuro sorry onye onfa NIA and compile register no ondi so because we call parliament ama ya bisa ni say now the NIA card no ebe new register na omu si there bi enya de ebe ba so mu be ye new po a
now see form
na yes abi so mu say na omu be ye so a sa current voter ID card e kitai no omu be ye there omu si oh ene na ye the source document uti na e Supreme Court plan no ene na judge dey say so hia obi identity wa Ghana ha dia and the best one as the first one in voters ID card but ene bi go now made omuwo nti dempa na asesa ene de electoral commission for see so di information ma for register na yesie ntia se no mu no gisa okita passport ai na nim se ene passport omo kita bi Ghana ha no omo ya about 2 million and calculate dem ewum nti omo about 80 no they are just about 1.5 million but what nti ye di ene ekwa register na it means they are going to deprive and this is strong host say omo ye omo di enkum nti NDC for see ye best say register no kra no ehu nya because esika say enye ade a ebeboa ebema ya ade no akoso pi eti sade a ene omu bia schools na atiche for na school for mo yeren omu ko sua de but I mean hu nya sa se be ewom say atiche for betina fie a school for betina fie yen kwa asore yen ko masalaki uti mmom na obema electoral commission for dey say omu ko bie na omu ntwodin sense wo butaye se opese wiwe mu ntino omu de omu nkonkoye eba sana e o se penifo no ye nyina kase kira aban ni se de omu ye no ye de enis for the ya hunu na omu adwumpo ni se aba na ombe wia but question ye bisa ni se masa u player o ye best e wo team adenti obe yi na film na se we na omu di wia omu di e 26 abato
na we see from
omu fe no wan say ko 2020 se person omu wi na dia they should be afraid. You should go with the current voter register.
Me da say Abusia BB Mustafa no or communication team member Edema NDC, the biggest opposition party in Ghana. Now quickly, mamenko me ankasa me nua Ampofu tumasi China yenye na dwenkyere. Ampofu boko ma me je mensa se kiane ken obeye new voter register NDC for say one month ase.
Senior medase so am sa kwanya say yes we am na ni dika ya meso my Ghana na ya muama my nkoso efa ne chechire esan say ya jatum say kabima mi kabi ni ya de be ya djuma dia ene na menua bibi beka e wo NDC mu na meso maka ne MPP mu na nka e bia CPP ni na PPP ni wa so onso aka no bo ma Ghana ye fe ne chechire no na on 1992 sabre na na ye fi soja mamuo aba kabima mi kabi mamuo mu no bienya mpanfo binom almost original ye kumi preko eje eboama democracy ni dan by Kwasi Pride Koku Bra kon ne Victor 1 in 0.4 bebre as original ma yenya democracy na on say ye no say de amamra ebaya ye de bechichire ye mani nti ohwa meda Papa J as JJ Rolling Satam one na oye panyina na ohwe sa no mo nyina so ye de ba NDC for boys so bo esanse na de bi adwini say nyama ba ko mi de bi nkoso a ene nti no ye komra se bedwafie mu a onye yi na onim ya de ni nyina ba no ya so ma from 1992 1996 2000 2004 2008 2012 2016 and 2020 na metimi aka so a ayere so anka be to aba ne mprenu so bia abato ankrata an ye sesam menu mienu ye awe mensan ha me won kirem dodo won sa ni nyina ne say chapter 7 of the 1992 constitution amebra bibi kan article 45A no e ka kire Ghana fo nyina say emra ma a share electoral commission kete say ono na ni grodwa mansa on fanhwe abribia obewuni say ho be hia say Ghana ye koto aba na ebe hia voter register for and say about work rata ebe hia for no onjina mra so no fa CI on kwaji to me krata free parliament I friend CI na constitutional instrument wobɛtumi aka no legislative instrument ɛmfa mmra no ne hyehyɛ wopɛ sɛ gyina so ɛde yɛ new register no ɔmfa mmra abɔntene ma ghanafoɔ nyinaa hu no sɛne bia bɛda no ho so na yɛtumi akɔyɛ register no on the first place parliament wɔ ɛyɛ medɛ sɛ ɛyɛ constitutional and democratic parliament ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛwɔ npp foɔ yɛwɔ ndc foɔ ɛnam sɛ by de facto anaasɛ by fact yabenya 2-party state nti no na nka bi yabenya ppp ana pndc hɔ nanso ɛ de facto 2-party state nti no yɛwɔ npp majority ndc minority yɛde ade na kɔto parliamentary select committee anim on bill anaasɛ committee a ɔmo ɛfa mmara ho ama ma bobo ho saa committee so ndc fo npp fo ne ba bobo ho na onim constitutional instrument ya efa say you be register for it and this time pen ye bi ndc for raise concerns allegations bebre say aban person we about to ni nyina no say you say you free big Ghana card and a national identification card electoral commissioner e dia ba ne krata mu say won ye be gina so na dia trading ndc for besibati go apa uni bibi constitutional instrument and a CI 91 yeah in 2012 any vitamin on the page 3 of the constitutional instrument niama nipa betim dia registration oba ase ha ya so oba ase ha ya the national identification card me pa to hu na make okay sometimes national identification card ma me pe bi e wo entro e wo C page 3 no 3 biem ni C ni e wo wonu na onim me kai pass in 2012 His Excellency Johnny Van Satave nyame fa ne kransie yi o ma Ghana me point for call round say be bia Ghana card me kofi ambotuma sia metie me kotwere me din besim ne photocopy paper ne be ma me say me fa nkwo me pass na say me card den dura be de bebre me besim ne me no kasa yi manya enso na ba twere wan ba about one krata mu say ana say to me krata metim dia ko register ID card na sa de we yam won sa enti satam ya na Ghana ana tachima almost 15,000 populace ye betimi atoaba na ni papa akopɛ kro ni Ghana card na yesi obetimi agina Ghana card so de register and ne at least ye 15,000 ni pa 5,000 ewo ID card the national ID oni on that same note mrana easy come on point for 7 passing out no first na ni papa akopɛ betimi guarantee money panum na de besi ni papa akopɛ guarantee money badu. It is supposing say nipa 5,000 anyone national ID card na say me wo your national ID na ya guarantee money podua times your friend is saying 5,000 saying yen calculate tie for na hu say service employers and this for hodo hira ba say ne beka na tie no be pese beto ama atugu amanfo ani on that same note and this for person mo catch Ghana for enam sabe producer emre bi atwam na be propaganda secretary ni nyina ne sa ade ye tuntum beka say ye fufuo na Ghana for benjini na benjina so nto aba mayenti sa ne this for person beka oni senior ne person me catch Ghana for nyina ne say and this MPP aban ni friend madwin bia say person de wi abatonum say you adwin say person de wi abatom Ghana MPP strongholds ye mienu Eastern region and Ashanti region. Meno Kasai, Eastern region, National Identification Authority for Omanyam Yomajumo Eastern region. It is a non in Nameno Kasai, Electoral Commission, the Omufidia Besia say register man for. Yeah, stronghold. But your names are near Besio. This year be a nipo bakona mi nipa be obekade. Bene be agina register man for. Na sa obi a wo ID wo your friends a passport. Na sa why you be there anu betimi ase dia guarantee man for. Ya kurambo yensu enam se se be se mbradwasa yetim fine now ni aya me ya ni se abrebi endis for beka sa asemi be pese be draw MPP for e de ba friends argument ni mu but anya no kura bi ada oni ni ma me ye MPP ni a meji di se e wo se ye nya new voters register ni se ma me chaloto se oni na no ye EC boss and a chairperson oni Ghana mamra se electoral commission electoral commission on in 3 chairpersons near the kind yes in main chairperson no the deputy 4 the other deputies now na papa be a friend Amadou Sile and director deputy chairperson in charge of operations papa asambi be amone ni boss ko sia mpanfo committee anim ni boss ma me Charlotte say accuse ni say Amadou Sile ono agina to me so say director of operations in charge of operation, deputy chairperson in charge of operation, I transfer vote at the African model voting centers at the different centers. Senior, sabe, yako trouba, ana ya trouba, nipa ni ya ini say, or a match commissioner no, or no agina to me so at the transfer vote, abra referee no kroni mo sheba. And now say match commissioner no at the time no be ato so abra one consult to referee. Na say senior ye gina so yasa oye yan. Dabi. Se sia no your friend say super lock technology for amoye video no. Abeka say agreement no mo kwen. Omo ye technology expert. Omo ye fidia, omo password, rules and regulations, memorandum ana MOU. Friends say MOU just see how many Ghana 4.4 crown to say. For password no more. Daniel Madusule, Timinia password no, down Crofono, and more motive transfer vote. It's me MP Metua, me am Sisheme, Media Bene, I say your sister register away, Naya Makwa Medetwamba, Amadusule ya. Ebetimia Gina, Yow, and I'm Sabi, why are they managing my bonunti? Gina so dia transfer vote make you must send to mamba mi school mekwa mi school na me vote ni o e bia ba de kwa rowa ana bontuku ana bole won kwa wa metimi nkoto and am say this phone say me MPP ni e dey meto man na don gogu fo ana so no bo ti jako ana say Martin German sa kosa enti abasade a me metia me nje ntumuda o ne meka that is one argument at the same time onim limited registration in 2016 Ghana for mutieme limited registration no Ghana for yakoye ma me Charlotte so die mu adie ni mu e changing logo ni ade ni saka no nyina ade ato nchen yakoye nko Ghana boka almost 48,870.9 million 70.9 million on the same note. Sorry for the whatever. We see on the same note. Now you see a new one. No budget electoral commission the comma easy. And I say parliament. Says no 900,000, 3,900 million. Sorry, 3,900 million. You see that? It is a check cost for limited registration done and the new register now. Per cost. A favor say a new one. Then say you be maintaining old one. No. On that same note, you send me a technology here. When you computer shots here, now you issue a friends and Pentium 1. Meboa. And now, your friends, if you want to pick up Pentium 2. Near buy a nail, one, and the computer, who me as one of them. And so maybe a jump, you also computer, I'll bet maybe 5 minutes. As an abba. And maybe a jump, the past friends, 2012 biometric register, you know. Senior, Menoka say. Technology there, some technology advanced. About 2016, and that's now they had to assembly elections. Meaning, Nipa 50, Moko Babia, almost a 6 and fat. Me pacho Timiana, almost a biometric register, my friends, verification, we and fat. Then say, Biana Jumadin Moye, and now say Bian Conshabia Munye, I'm a Moko Chromatine, almost sending no, and a Fort Kakra, or the necessity is in fact. It's your no younger son, Trabana, Derby, and the citizen franchise. On that same note, Abu Ramadan, your friend is saying, easy cockot. On the issue of Ngophobia, I'm qualify someone register. Ninja said, Echo Viachi and Ninchon for men summarize them. And by 40 friends and Chevy Bear said, Nipa Bia, or the health insurance card register 2012, yen you need in free. Senior, none more there limited registration. In Crawford Mopoya, no more Yomudia Freeman, Namenoka say, current register Mudinim no, almost best 6,000. Almost you can disenfranchise among Kawana. Oh, sir, and you know,
And this for argument be a baby raising, no, some projects. Come here, sir. Young Cassa, not in my frontier, register now. Ya be assumed that I don't know. You better me a juma. On the issue of disenfranchise, senior, I bring you up about a process and your event. Nina said, Bini Medican can say, and Marano said, letter commissioner said, Edru saw a new register, and I say about trauma. Either so be limited registration, and I may new voters register. Essence and Maraminia Bibi Kano. Universal adult suffrage are entrenching every constitution in the world. Either be it Magna Carta and now say the Constitution of the United States of America. What is that? In the Akrabia, the fear do what here, I was all trouble. In Tubakaya in 1951. Embrana Kwame Nkrumah and the CPB, Committee on Youth Organization, CYO. Sabra and so, not Ghana, in fear obedience and what about 23 years of age. And point 4. Akwaya Maya test about 21. Enti na abuama CBB number timi na konja. Ni ameka amanako wi ane se. Abrebi abatoba no. E wo se man kro ma di fie du wotwe betro mu di. Enti amnesty for ka se. And what say voters register and I say limited for the sake of COVID-19. Senior. Nano another 3 days Burundi. Omo ya African country. Omo ko abato sakoto aba. COVID-19 ni wana. One thing I say woni se. Yes say COVID-19 team, ma sorry phone call, sorry. Ma Muslim phone call, sorry them. But, Abia Bibi, Babi awesome, almost here, mosque them on 100. At the same time, who got a Chimanjoma, who was now got 5,000 at a go. I didn't hear, say, that Chimanjom for almost on essential commodity. Me person me visit here for say. About one of the essential now. To be frank with Obioti, abattoir is one of the most essential commodity in the world. Adentia, a team Bokro, a team Makroye. Rwanda, now the Cote d'Ivoire, Dennis, and I'm about 20. Obian Jobiti, Obian for 2 more biti, Uncle Obi, say Bia, what to my baby. Name mom, Alasan Watara, Niloran Bobonti, Nipa Shriban Cote d'Ivoire. It's in America, phone is said. A mom wants you and this phone thrown to say Bia COVID-19, Yako register, wouldn't be. Mammy faster me in Chaton. Say a quite limited registration, I say a quite new register. And point 4 say, you the almost over 10 days never here. Would ye? Men can upon you. Say, Kikrina said December, now you're young quiet, now was here to a bar. On that same day, that I'm your MA Junior High School. Voters back 1,000 new or you never could queue on that same day near Twaba. And in you did 10 days, over 10 days, a new register, many years.
Medase Chumasi ampo for P and PP Amanyu Kuomona quickly Mamenko Minua BB Mustafa Honase or Rebata Bina Obeya na Waribata Sana Yako de Wabia Yako. Yeah, BB.
Medase. One say argument here flawed.
Yeah.
We are talking about December. I say Brenubebois Amakotoaba. Yes, see boss Musi June. Just next man and boy compile register. We know what December I will be 5 months time. Now what I see you got to trouble in per 1,000 police station to still I am going to register. I don't mean to say suppose you say you got limited registration Kurana Nipa less than 7,000 Uti and a talk massive one now Nipa over 80 million. Look at the risk. Shaliska Ewo. The question may be said
how many days?
Or citing 2016. Car shall to say boy a limited registration. Pacho 2017, 18 up to date. Until Jamesa by one limited registration. Now oh yeah, look at it saying. Scasteno was spending yet. Sa issue of Mukeno. Imani Ghana. Media Foundation for West Africa and other reputable civil service organizations for almost the Mukano and Yanokule. So officer any part of find the fingers on capture. The best way to say let's replace those devices. But what I say, but not to go say kwa engage in the wabe kumumu. Obi anga say election is very essential. Election is very important. I will say echo. But what we are saying is say the risk at this moment no. And when you say we call the skinny per life, and we call sunlight say omuba be register.
Baby, Yansha, COVID-19 electoral commission chinchina chia obeye. Esan say womo eba be follow lay down rusa mampanyine edia ba no oko police station bia ye behwe social distancing ye adwuma ye be mo wear of nose mask after that ye be mo hand sanitizers or the be run and na se for uhu ni sen
no put na dia entimi feasible.
Adent.
One, usi police station, umani pan M25. Mpacho. When the back kwa fi akwa Freddy per se, first bag on buy no me 25 ya wi. Nti ubra. Na wo so be betro wodi. Na so mu nyina be gu ho. Na wo allow only 25 so mu let them ho. And as a stage when they register mu a. Omo am gu ho no. Who is taking care of them? Who is ensuring say omo distance no ebesi yi. Mpacho minister what the person
me follow pa.
So when nyina ye nema bia very cumbersome. Enya de betima possible. Until the best I bet my as on mine say, let's call off this unnecessary compilation of new registry. Say, be I mean, young quano, Ubechmania won't. You can finish registering and so won't you also become to Abama and as MPP. Ubechma will be for election day.
Almost social distance protocol. I be making sure say per each person be 1 meter distance.
80 million. Who must have distance? Uti. Now what ensure that protocols will be in place. Ombe huru munsa, obe say we obe clean device no. How long? And what be take how many months? And we go take it. I make sure say say nipa 80 million ni nyina dey be ko dis no. I get now drift no. Nti they can say every for issues in your operation no. En fact, no say man say illegal registration. Meaning so be what it means to say illegal transfer. They actually say I say bet my transfer o dia free ha police station akobi no udi no register no but what you say nti udi ni any register mo a kwan bia entimi fa say you be register you be transfer akobi bi nti say yare ya transfer ni pa say no krempo say ni pa less than 18 ni pa 17 pe ya to my illegal transfer. Does that describe the register? Am I say illegal and as a say fraud? Yes didn't what a register no be. What we are saying is say even with this register am so ba be ye before this be credible ama obi a register ade akoko guarantee am obi no obi ni match mark register e bia na my double registration you say we na compile final is na be capture say bibia double registration ti no on register no card no invalid e bia na me dia guarantee am ni pa be 10 na je so mu nyina de no enya valid but you to dey kan
bibi ohini jan attest me message sisi ya wose any this for ya na ya mo baase amamfo e de mo kokotro din eno sa kwanya no na muntumi nya ne covid season intra mo ni abrese kian ne
about the lives of Ghanaians nipa nkwa o be hwe na hai
enye baase na mo baase amamfo no
baase dey say is a campaign say it say yankon ko hye nipa dodo enye campaign na me boa but our message is getting to where I person but what else until there are so many things they cut so we say try be net eyi o man pena Ghana for pena obi an say John Dramani Mama the income and the be win last time me this for no now I catch me say 2012 no bobo and I register a card ya jatum it's true enye nkwa na ka say yem fa nto aba ya ka say yem fa sa current voter register ID card we ento aba and as we ka say obi bia we Ghana ni bia be chima ba be guarantee ama obi a ne nua oho you could also to be do so one could yama several evidence obi didn't met my name but in your case which is the documents to pay one passport me to mini passport because me kwama no 2 this is okita NIA card me to me yiri NIA card so only passport are you saying say e dey ba be register no say me ni wo say medline so aba be guarantee amana on you didn't me say voter register no man I said let's write the number of minutes guarantee form ko ye fill guarantees form eteki mpa so tell say the senipa any sa forms no senipa any sa card no so obeti ba kwa register straightforward na okwa ma obi akwa guarantee amana look at the number of time obe waste ho na obi okita NIA card say ashanti yina say east region omo beti manya kwan no obi akwa
bibi yan hwe COVID-19 mampanyi na nado emodemo ya wa bogana fo bi kire say wabɔ ne homodin pa oye mampanim bia eba ne crisis a wabɔ ne homodin ewo mu ebi mo so kire se ne modemo no wabɔ bi na mom ewo fam nsɛm uhu ne sɛn
menua sɛ omampanim wabɔ ne homodin onbɔ ne homodin menu nyina yini
ɛne sɛn
ɛne sɛ on sɛ menua ni kan or try sɛ obe justify sɛ yɛnkɔ ni register sa register we on pese mo compile ama se mo mpanim po abomodin a obi a say sa modin bo no o ye because of bibinti o ye because of say opese ye new register na say everything say onye president nti one obi a say ya dey we buy no adwumafo entimi enko adwuma so Bajensa.
Yes.
Nti country bia per se na manfo no omu stala no omu endi nti ye di nema bebre e di ase akwese be ya ebe boa me nu na yen kwa adwuma so mpo na se yen kwa adwuma mpo no stala ebe tman adwena eden edi
okay
ebe ni intervention sa omanpanisi odi aba no uko country bi ti se Togo hayai Togo omu population mpo 10 million papa omunye light free light aminu menu na omanpanisi yen 50%
yeah
omunye ne free ya maka asiwa efa nipa ediko omayi days bi ho a saa de ko frukan saa very day na untu ahwe be bia obekọ bia oman no befa saa aka no ebie data a school 40 fia omuntimi nya kwanya enko face to face go mu lectures no omo afa saa data ne ka se wu assess ana se wu ko neta yenti hwe mpa jo tiase oman pani na wo ho ne mpeni fo hye eno no
na se man panyini wafa nsuo ho ka anyina ma hoden wafa eka no bi oba na homoden
na mika chiro se Togo hayai Nigeria hayai hwede omuye ene de ade ya me de wo COVID-19 mu pa ene se ya me aba na ya me de o ene se ene no ene si fo na bi fo nyina no consensus ni se sa social intervention policies no enye na ko bi enye free sin high mbaje oti ase na mo eyade a obe ya ma obi a oti ne baby oti na sitina mbe den ebe yi ya ma no ebe ni health centers provision of chips campus hospitals mbaje oti ase polyclinics any se obema nsuo abama nipa nya nsuo anom any se obema nyamakane aden aginam saa ne ma we nyina no yem bi se hu se emu de na mampani nanado ye ya enye obi na ye tu ho a obeto aso emu de is it the Ghana Bank Hospital Bank of Ghana Hospital na say
na sa amamo no eye continuum process
ke pese chiro mu say se de ne nua bi ye bi ba ya etu ho a ono beto aso no ono so nya bi se echira no so no wa ya ba beto aso no ya kai no stabilization fund na yakọ yi husika
na enya moa na mo ka se oba ye projects bebre wo hon ma wabandan onyade a oto aso yi enti se wo bi ase bi ase na se ono so to aso ankabone a waye ni se
projects a e wo se oto aso eni se aya se bia ya sha ase a yesi no ya wie bebre ya ntuma wie bi no oba na nko to aso because yade we ba no ya mfa yare fon ankochi bi ya mfa mo anko damangomi kurum ba cha otia se ya do mu kwa yare sabia go hona so bi yare a betimi ayi atitu no wona se hia isolation center se betimi do mu akọ un se ne ya do mu ko school se ma ye pomo ko bi wa do mu ko ha ne ohene ne youth no ayi o ma pam sankofo no nka o mampani ehwe so eto aso e compete nema o mampani do mama e start ye na nka ne no hu nye se ye de obi ko akọ to school nka de be ko health center ebie stabilization fund na mampani do mama ne nyansa mo otibika se eni kwense oye na yetunu yebedi ne nyina na nchima ne ba omo be kire omu no ba cha otia se yempe futo bi na aya de bia de atuo se Ghana hu ko ahiem se de COVID-19 abaya ye economy no adri Ghana de de sa akwa kweden akokubu nka omampani na anya sa vision no jo mama anya vision no anti sa futo na nka ade we baya no minu aka no kra hifa pana nka yebe kwa akoji sika ababe ma wanya nsuo anu free wanya light mpo 50% ba cha otia se ama ya bi dia twa health workers nka sa kwere bia say den nke ni ho but it took someone or vision so obetimi akai say echina bi se na me di nkwan a nam ni ma echina no me bo bra pa metima den anya nkwan atumi se nam atumi kwa ma ebeye de eni bi na ye catch so MP for say don't just come and display the ya plateau no musumun create channels bi to se echina bi na se musumun ni ho na se amman bi aba na se amman bi aba on so be den obetimi anya smooth take off but on tell me one school mercy in almost 4 years. One health center mercy in almost 4 years. This fact so musu are promising komudi ba. Say the bear mobile po benye adwuma ye no. And ye bi say say, "O ma twa bia ma tetuma south and north ana." There be. And today can say, "O mampeni John Dramani mama and the technical team." Especially say o mo ni de eba health mu. Advice so mudi ma o mampeni no. I think say waso bebre mu. Nti me bo endi sa amanyo ko aba so. Na ma bo se be go to say imane for any brasimonum se omonpeni jo be kasa aya me nuanum omutwina yampia edina tem o se da bi papa no wonyansa bi ontrimu se wo mpa ni padwo no po a asema afi na no ba no mpa cha say nyansa se pa ye duma se santi na World Bank for World Organization omobo omonpeni jo mama abaso say nka 160 sa aya se be bebria nka yade we ba ye no nka Ghana for nka ba na onye nyina yede ye wo wi ba de ha me ene se obili sika to se nka fa na fa feed Ghana for ya wa ye lockdown ya tumi identify MPP for enkwa na yi fido mu abra Ghana for omu nyina etio mu no enye di fonko ba jot ase sane me onyina ye nema bia e ha adwin it took on penny biem jomama se ono abese feed over 200,000 households the householder it's not 200,000 rooms so ba jot ase e feed but bebia we have so many rooms bit say zongo utumi nya be 10 rooms in the house ba jot ase ni peshe ho e bia wo ni pe be 5 ene wo ho yetumi san feed san go na abra oman Ghana ya pesika momu am wasa akoji over billions of cedis say omu di ba beboa ama ene no nka yade we ba nka menu ya betima fa ntuma pa de afra bani na akokosi aga billions of cedis omu abo bisia e di aba be ka ho biem say nka ene no yade we ba nka obi tifie kura yetumi taxi kura say 50 Ghana. That is what we always expect to say at least omu lock it down be 2-3 months na nka otifie na nka asu uhwe umuba umumoso a na nka 50 Ghana bani nyina yini be aska na yede afa transparency enye djumo omampeni nanado na mamumu nka ti sa nka sa saying fund omuso martin say ba be boa look at the number of millions akwakotum nka say pa na omampeni obetima yusu nti so ma yusu bia say enya aka omuma sa figures embe tujo na nyina yitimi interrogate na ye hunu say sebi subu a bebre ye di bo mu say omu ye korom omu ye duru no sise de omu ya temu sa e de afre sa de a sa tag no enye fe go bi chamane nko pese oboye e o sika forma boa because sika po ayanka sempo de akoko mo mpeni se on fan hwe no ontimi mboa kuntan papa e fan me nti e ba sa na enye o fe enye o de so se wo bibia o de bebe bo oman Ghana o de beba nti menua na ma bo omampeni John Dramani mama aba so se nka yen hye no a nka won bambe ye omampeni 4 years a etwema nka yade we ba ye no nka by now Ghana nka yi nyina ye se ide e hye wie nti me hye omampeni na na do so se at least obi aye bi nti usu nti ye bi na ba ya ba be to so esa 2021 na ye be minim brenkwa na ba be bre but I know that nipa onye vision enye nyansa timi di ma na ma onyina be put in place ye firi wona dum so eni ho no ye firi na skabi to a se Ghana ye hu chira ye tuma ye no sa ni pan samba ni vision be sen aba to bear Ghana be fa na tuma pa e di afra
medase mamenko menua ampofo tuma sinchen na ye nwi na dwenkyere bi di kyerɛ sɛ mampanyin na nado wɔmɔ ne ho modern sanse wɔmɔ ne pay sika kakra gu ho na ɔbaayɛ ɔde ɛbɔ adwuma ampofo
senior manyo semede na tamizo wɔnwo aso bɛya manyo esanse tambia de bi yesere ni nyina ne sɛ prior to the 2008 elections the then vice president His Excellency the vice presidential candidate His Excellency John Dramani Mahama satana fe na opreso abene mampanya bi de akire obatachi mahai one of Moses Star station ebeka se mampanyini yika akwan mampanyini ana aban esi sebi KVIP se mampanyini ana aban esi hospital na se moye school dan ni ade na se odi beka se man entonjum kamfo na sebi o kambrofi o se exercising in mediocrity na oni ade ba ko a yeah certain say abibifo yeah na no ka ben pen say obey say obey fi aguo na wan sande wo techere mai den amfa say be say previous sande anka ya chiwa de na MDC fo ase obeka ne na no na de ne ba dan na butu enam say beje propaganda dinti atie fo mu tie me propaganda ni nyina ne say ade ekita me tuntum yenye ma ne fufuo na timamfo benjini eno bi ni beka me pa cho Bank of Ghana Hospital per facts and figures and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama this year even though say besin na bresota sate mano e mampanyini na mo nya on this year me fa no nto won tachima senior member tachima hai ya was centers mienu Holy Family Hospital and Millimed Hospital mienu amabodi bia no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama this year se me bo atie fo nyima no se me bo say Holy Family Hospital His Excellency John Dramani Mahama this year na ya dey center tachima ha and this for benyima no on the same issue sir Millimed so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama this year tachima fo munyima no mo when this for bentra be sabra kroya minim say your friend say kwale okonfanoche say His Excellency John me pacho bibi okasa na me wa okonfanoche His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
Okonfo Anoche Hospital His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni sia techima Ghana foi na de munya no mai sabre kroyan so me pa chow what's the visionary your friend leadership ne ma osi hospital bebreba na de kunyare me boa da bi me pa chow what's na na do ansi hospital bia na ya fa ni pa be nko bole ana fa be enko chebi ana nkran ya fa be nko so hospital na ni be ko me boa ne me bo hospital a na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama beba na hospital no order da na mo di tumo asafo nsamo ni mo asi me pa cho kwalebu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni sia na question na mi bisa Ghana fo nyina munyi ma no na mo say this for the propaganda na be di adwuma me no me tumira ma kiresie me say bibi upa metim ni tam aka tam aka o say kwalebu tie me say upa nyanto ba say what's the hospital say dey kunyare
bibi man kwan na ankasa
what's this for you expose your man na omuntimi ntra wahuru me say kwalebu say money musi amon kan kire enti mo hunu this for ben tro ne ben na dan abedi meanwhile Irojet a contract President Kufuor Abraso ama na ye besi Kumase military hospital and this for bebanto aso unim Okonfo Anoche se wa kwa order a champion Abraso na o si maternity ward and this be President Mahama ni 8 years want to aso na no dem na do to aso maternity ward ukokwale be Okonfo Anoche se e wo ho na wo be ka se mo vision. What is the vision?
Wa mo se omo baye wa mo si hospital e wo tepa wa mo si bi e wo ensopa
tepa dia no ye Irojet His Excellency Jonathan Kufuor e sha se omo be command to aso. That is what they are talking about. And why omo gribu kuma mo ni mi omo ka woni bibi me fa no ntro woni senior ya to ba ma wa inso akrata no usa kire Ghana fo nyina se nsuo mo ohan mo obe kuri abe so ma Ghana fo nti a me depa na woni ade sinei enye ne kwa ne bisi o se
be o mic no mami
emre bia si bisi na odim na enu de na nka minima sanka e bia nka ban we ni te so a nka betim ni 2 months a solve and this ya ban twifa be 4 years ni nyina ne se onim dum so aya internally generated crisis nka ya pension ni esi a nka 2 months ni be solve and this is 4 years ni ku dum so ade ti america sa dum so yaw nya benedia de bre Ghana for no de bia ne bre Ghana for ne ni nyina ne se economically anase sikasam ama sikasam ato ape esan se first time come ko China go for ne ba na metimi nko amla lockdown sie na come ko Kumasi go for bronyi wa uba enam se lockdown was intimatimi nko within that space of 2 weeks at the anwuchira breme and metimi ko de anwuchira breme nti sadia e wo se mampanyini wodi nsesere ba mibiso amra dum so sin kran ni Kumasi amanfo radio stations guye amanfo barber shop guye amanfo hair dressing salon guye amanfo friends nikanika bade enfufu guye no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or the program bi ba ya eport mamufu ana wafo bi ama me de bibi and NDC fo nyina say dum so tam policy program ben ni His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na de onu kwa na to ni dia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onu akompo nim say onu a visionary sir onu me de be nyina say satam dum so tam no ye the policy and na say program bi ba ya ebe bo matimufo omajuma na egu no etimbete so a BNC and na me no ka say aboya bi 600 million sir ye de be boa small scale enterprises oh senior na to was here your friend corona alleviation program atie for sabu tie me a me no ka say who kita phone na dial *718 *55 hash now follow a friend say procedure no who bet me register and na say what timupo bia and na say who agentanta bia who bet me afre 030 274777 who bet me follow now a friend point for no match who bet me faso apply loan no and we good governance when your friend visionary wa unsa uni ya tumbra na ya kire usie senior ya nka say ya na enye say ade ya aka ye guso ye me say ma de NDC fo me guso me de be se dum so be no policy and a program be ne be de ba me so Ghana fo ase uni bibi NDC ta ne nka me no ka say ya nka wato patrol rubber yaro yi wato ma esi abontina light dum ya be for generator de agum e ka no habo in business what lose within the space of time until was nka mampanyini boa eso wase ne wan so bi ase me no ka say 50% basic salary allowances come on frontline workers senior me no ka say only from the former frontline workers AGB Kwalebu frontline workers AGB Nukuji frontline workers AGB Babi ya se ne mampanyini si hospital no be frontline workers AGB don't say tam yenya bisa na dabi me se me de obi ase bisa ba ni bibi refie no wanka ben ka kire na entie won betimi ka kire on that same note me no ka say nurses and doctors frontline workers mampanyini a odwene Ghana fo ho am be program and the policies are ebe be osayare mu say for 3 months omudua a friend said taxes mampanyini papa no mampanyini odwene Ghana fo ho no sabe some projects tikasi awi adwene no enye say eye ntio bia metua nursing teacher training allowance den ka mini gugu dabi enye sa na ebu mane ye kire be se na ebu mane on that same note senior utie me no ka say for 3 months ukwasansu a untua including private sectors obi a wotuni so wonim ade se nipa makopa bia party chairman ni abande sa ade we ban go ode on de o say na fidie yan say a obetim de bunsuo na oni ha yakwa menka sa party chairman kro di njiro menka ni di njiro oni
o ye party chairman na say ono no de on support
o si ono de na na luka say ye ma obi amuntu enfiri de o se ni pipe say enso sa atama ye nyanka say mu firi na otunsu ayi nyina timi kosa bi me na tintemu ba ko o party chairman onim ni di pa onim kama ba me mo ni di ba fa no to onim na do say for 3 months ukwasansu a menjo ma bentua ka bre aban onim Ghana for mo anu mutua mo taxes na be good central government and abomo bra niasi no mo akwa onyenye mu mo sansu kwa ni efe na ede na say wo ne say wo ye aduane wo yi watade ani wo su abanu firi ha one essential commodity electricity sakani ani mani mu sima dukura ya najua hwese na mani musujo na bibia stop esa se ye bebobo na se brasta ani bia chipolo polo of Zambia ana se bafana of South Africa na 7 pm na nkane aduma senior wan benya bia nya binhwe essential sabre kro ya e bia na bibi be box e bia na be all night ya dum kane meet me nko a stop me ebia na Ghana no omo run the shift and I do a bisuko and I'm say badum kan anti otimi nko sadi aban say insu atons for medini ma fan kan 50% for 3 months dum so tam yenya bia na aya me ya dum so tatama dum so yesu frey sese se John Domani mama say Ghana foi mo anu moto aba mame ensu se mo pesa kan engine so dia this a book sika dodo ansa na kan engine so wan Ghana enne mo so a visionary why come the vision. Why command the nari? What is that? What him? It's in America go sing and say Ghana for na de yanya about papa na yam pene yeah. Apai o Ghana for mambo policies, mambo program, man for PPE ono PPE no okay. Mama for ntwato me say mask asem about platform bi ameko. E was saying guys excellency John Domani mama. Yari satama na o the peak of the virus no. Esan ko o donate ni fie se mfani fie no enye isolation center ena ko ya de na na o ye di
ampo the Ghana for can say coronavirus ba ye mampanyini se o local country wa local ena ye nkwa sore ye nkwa masalachi ye nya yi but ye dura bato so de e mo se mo kwa akotworo di
senior ye dura bato so na o peso kan o to be frank with
Ghana for can
to be frank with you and I USA lock it down before you Ghana and the US be this all person about one of the share there me person make just say no cre na mum ade ba ko say hu ni say madi kan kan person kan bi touchman joy and we one of the most largest market in West Africa at the time nipa 5,000 etim touchman joy 6,000 7,000 I'm not locked down here at the apex e wa Accra ni Kumasi na touchman joy abi oh yes say your friend is saying sorry dan anyway there yentutum na emom dwom de betimi akwesa say dwom de essential essence wonu betimi akonya bien na 20% bisa say about what dey essential and now ni BBC nia if say ye ma ye nye process of the election there Ghana for nyina ngintum say 2020 and toba adentia essence ma di kan kan o mesi e kan biem say about what there a process and event it won't mean that all say good reform. Now what? Now 7 December. What was saying? Video be say me school so be 2 ba. E ba sa me Kofi Abbo tuma si ametia sabe musical so dia esuma la sulala the electoral commission concord essence fundamental aspect of constitution no won fa anya adwuma enti say sa na ye pane dia ene ye fa to say 2020 yan to ba nya sa so dia kwan bia say fa so to ba no yanto anonym ne ye me da me fa ne say the electoral commission mama James and the protocols uni ubehia ba bia ye say for hand sanitizer ko uwi ahoronsa show nose mask eno be boa ma yare na enya na make bibio se me ko dwom nipa 5,000 watt at a time na me shame nose mask and shame fa me hand sanitizer and shame motor me horomensa easier what the fan say bia nipa be 300 e wo ho no woni ma akwoti yare na na ase we logic rational so obi atiase won say it is senior ni asema this for kan nyina je say omo ye bibi wo easy current register ma enne ye be sesa ni omusuro enti on be se be sesa no na nka monsuro se be ye be sesa na nka ya nka ma enkunibie nkrambo e wo se kan ne egbo aboso gina kire se ye mpene ma sesa no essence ama enkunibie mo kurambo ye dwene se bia mo ye bibi no mo ti akondwa so hwene amonu ye ne ye no ye de kokko se ma awiem eye no ne se mo ti akondwa so ya be bum over 1 million votes na ye se sesa na mo se mo ye be se awiem essence aboy welcome the lies inti ya bese ka che Ghana fo nyina se na du danko Akufo-Addo o dwene Ghana wo se mampani bia obetena kondwa anso enti se aba se na the friends akondwa no de enti o pese ye olisi ye friends lockdown a enya no kure de ba bia da na mom ba bia duru no e wo se ye hunu se COVID-19 no se sia no awareness na ayemo obi a hu se ho nti obi ada no wo se mo inti sadia yebetimi agudo mum kakra se be ya obi yebetimi aden akonu nyima so ebe na 3 days or 1 day ago your friends Donald Trump about Montembe say churches mosques and the other my friends auditoriums no yemie mani pankom dia ni sigana kwanse yetimi nyebi nipa mu wo US e don so si nipa ma u Ghana nipa mu nya bi o US e don si nipa ma nya bi o Ghana sabe nipa COVID-19 to moduma bomo no e do so e o US na do so nipa o Ghana adenti e denti mimie question be se me bisa Ghana fo nyina no enti na do dan Akufo-Addo ni timupo bia se obie na enya kwan e process and even if that being the case so obia na se ekotwere ni a enya bi fo nko ye din ni ekotwere ye be twere PPP ni ye be twere PNC ni ye be twere NDC ni me nya bi bitie NDC fo nkotu na se o ma sha se mu twere ne mo nkofo a o be hwa ma ya register we omo ba no mo be ka omo kwose na ma no ma no ma omo ba bontia no mo keka Newton achira manfo
na we see from
enti ne meka ko wie nyina ne se MPP aban ene ya MPP fo se ne mra bi atwam esesere se John Domani mama ka se electoral commission independent na Africa nyina bi agena tum enti ye nja no mo nyina adwuma no ya ti ase ye jana mo ye na adwuma na yeso ne se maami sabe producer wo ye nipa o wa woni na woni ne ode ya adwuma enti ne o ya o hwe na o ya be bo Ghana no on weso no onye na ya bi before there ya sagina ya na so say new voter register no ye mfa nya adwuma
meda say ampa for chuma si PPP ani PP PPP ali amana kama no PP and PP communicator ama menko BB Mustafa Nchan NDC na ya wrap it up
say new register say carry register NDC me say nyame tumi ntia be wini but say new register Ghana for na yakwa register now be disenfranchise ye numbi no na esi ntia say because one okay say Farijain Charlotte wantima yi NIA at the National Insurance cash no NIA MP for mu kazen kakra mo de nikura kakra na mo de tro ade ososa enti so my idea dem pa na chese register no
they will be also disenfranchised.
I thought you say me mo nkasa
okay no problem
enti dem make they say me nua sisi ye ka yade asemu inka e say kari say okura nan say no de edikoto ho sisi o ka say o mampeni na nado one dem mampeni a waba ojunga na fo nyina ho eh and then they are paying for by no drink Ghana for no drink only for no drink to go for home. And that is MP for you. And then who gets me say mo be so dum sam. And no that about me that about what's it there?
Mangasa.
Who the family what's it there?
Mangasa.
What's it do so?
Me say dum so na small and mine
when your vice president Dr. Bawumia in opposition can say on the 2nd of May 2016 say you deserve credit for fixing dum so. You are here telling us, Minia, do so no dear move to Mestre say, Cassama, Minia, Ampo. And call the batter, dear Marcana Kawara Batti. Mamma will find out to be a diwa. mambo confirm not to dinwa ana me boy me boy me boy this ye na ma na ka usu na ka wa che me se mobile mo asi we si ha na wa che me site a ewo I match tell say even Techima ha for the first time in the history of Techima and this are by under John Dramani Mama and to my government hospital and then they see where you move about 3 women in hospital move there one 4 years month man see just one school
what's in 8 years
4 years month man see oh MC and flip over the way over MC over the way 4 good years ya to me ya japade bebre amaga no
it's a basic regional hospital boni
adia efupa we asin say obi apeska to say bre na be disay obi abechima ye mu bai na nka mo mpeni jo mama wan pesika antu fitom anka na covid bai nka mbanye sham bi akwa ko drop workers nka mo yes kan say free water
mo pesika no to say omedi
uzi
mo pesika to say omedi
we thought no you think say yen tracing ko
okay
obeba sebi na ma enko yi and there was the need say betimi think better until we make sure say be person to the area and then so one you so amu and this came to pick water coverage you now you take 2%. Yes, I could just in 4 years under your mama, you go 83%. Massive 50% increment. Yeah, water coverage. Mobile send them to my electricity coverage. Yeah, mobile only 2% per account. You detect 8% in 4 years account. And you say sector by sector. Modimba and this ya bo as against move 4 years and more buyer. Mumbai babia. But me see from as for loan. So be koji bisia. Embrane sen ko trace as Canada. Ngo bia met my Espo wo suka tire say sebi obi anadwi mu ndo meboa e tim ko gibisia ene de mo akwa gibisia e de Ghana car ye di e ye 132 billion e o say 232 billion over 100 billion in 4 years Ghana na sorry from Nkrumah tam na be sin ne no e car na e wo ha MP for be 2 ye no na e 120 billion today ya hit 232 billion na don kwa less than 4 years e dey above bisa over 120 billion ubi so mo akwa mu dia ya omu afa na yeyi ubi so mo school mo asia afa na ba besi mo shebo say in 4 years mo besi in 8 months mo besi 350 senior high school from scratch to completion and then one Congo single SHS crowd mo asi o man timi anchire say mo asi bi ha e ya no say e ye fede ma MPP aban ntimi no de can say ye ba be kwa abato no so projects the wire in 4 years as against the obiaya in 4 years but na e will hope say Ghana for betie was pam the better from education from health agri na ya check the records ya bo e was sectors no na we musu ombe kire se omdo mobile omdi Ghana for scan fa ministers go we 25 as against obi obe family say 87 na watch me assist free watch me assist 20 high schools am Ghana for watch me implement progressive free senior high watch me abomodin
me da say bibi me da say abononsia bre na yu aye bre abusia bibi Mustafa NDC communication team members anso so na me ankasa me nua ampofu twumasi NPP communication team member wo mo mienu na mote omo enka no na ha na bre mama me kwana me digumade ni nyina asie se utie mi ana utie mi every www.righteousradio.com so na Facebook o share me every your wall no Righteous TV and na YouTube no and so Righteous TV nyame adom na so de adom no tum ye ne a Juada mo ne me enhia dwumade no edin ya eda so the hot seat meeting and Brown champion do akwana na ya me no mota no ofra me okyerema kya me kwaje usu a mejo so abononsia ye crossover na yakọ adom 106.3 na yakofa nonsia kase e de abramo
wo atu asia won kwan wo baba ko wo kire se woni ni nua ba ene ni nua ba kunu ene betena ye ni nua ba kunu no atumi ase na ma woni na da saa anyema ko enum emu nan de wo mo